Welcome to the JMT.
My people, I welcome you to this our channel. If this one are the first time they come across this our channel, I beg we can go subscribe, follow and share so that people go know what they sup around the world. Though this one not be them say this one I see for yourself, make you hear for yourself. And here they bring ogbonge gist and ogbonge updates they come. Make una subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news will enter your phone as if na text message. On today news, one social media influencer don't come outside though to talk concerning Mercy Chinwo pikin. In fact, he don't carry this matter go where I don't know. He don't call her Mercy Chinwo husband. Say make he go do DNA test for a pikin. No, say that pikin not being getter. Say that pikin na for Nathaniel Bassi. My people, now they say we have problem, they enter problem. So I want play on the video. Make una hear from the Aussie smart how you take talk this matter. Make una watch this video reach the end.
This child, go and do DNA test. I don't know what Nathaniel Bassi's face is doing on your son's face. That your son no resemble you. You no resemble Mercy Chinwo. Wetin concern your son with Nathaniel Bassi? You guys will see the pictures of this guy on this video, or go and search for the picture. You see that this boy does not even resemble Mercy Chinwo's husband. If you don't do DNA now, you will end up training another man's child. Mark this word. I'm passing this message across to Mercy Chinwo, the gospel artist. I'm passing this message to her husband, her herself. I want you guys to share this video so Mercy Chinwo's husband will see this video. Now there's something I want to tell you guys. Stay tuned. Now she surfaced her son face yesterday on the internet. Everybody saw it. I saw it. But if you can tell yourself the truth, who that baby resemble? That baby resemble Nathaniel Bassi. Blessed something blah blah blah. Your husband, go and do DNA of that child. Go, if you don't do DNA for that child, 18 years, I don't want to hear justice for yourself that you are betraying another man's child right on time. That baby really resemble Nathaniel Bassi. If you're a true Nigerian, look at that picture. You see this picture on this video. Look at that picture very well. You tell me whether the baby did not even resemble Mercy Chinwo. It did not resemble Mercy Chinwo's husband. How many you go carry Nathaniel Bassi's face? The world, the Christian world is demonic. You see this? You see the entertainment and Christian and musical world are demonic. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If Blessed does not do DNA now, bet me in future that will say he has been training another man's child for the past many years. And remember that internet does not forget anything. This video will be here when I ask you, Blessed, to go and run DNA test on that child, because I'm 100% sure, maybe or maybe not, you are not the father of that child, because the child does not resemble you. He wants to resemble Nathaniel Bassi. I don't know what Nathaniel Bassi's face is doing in your baby. Every time you see Nathaniel Bassi and Mercy Chinwo ministry, going to churches to minister, maybe they don't minister finish, they go minister for bed. Oh, as Nathaniel Bassi minister, our Chinwo minister, they will minister for bed. Let us tell ourselves the truth. That is why many men as father so many children that is not their own. 90% of first son or first daughter in Nigeria, 90% of them, the man they call their father are not the real father. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Truth be told, every day we are hearing that this person is not my child, this person is training somebody's child. Now God don't bring this one, show you. They tell you, say this face, now Nathaniel Bassi's face, go and do something. But because you are foolishly in love, you don't want to do something. But I want to remind you that when the thing was supposed on this internet, I will still remind you of this video. Just imagine how this girl resembles Nathaniel Bassi. What think that Nathaniel Bassi will do for your pikin face? Nathaniel Bassi and Mercy Chinwo, they go program, the same program every time back to back. So if the minister finish, they will go hotel, go minister their own. Well, I know that you guys fans will abuse me, say no manner of rubbish, but if you have not seen the picture, go and search for the picture, and you understand what I'm saying. That this child does not belong to Mercy Chinwo's husband. This child belongs to Nathaniel Bassi.
My people, una don watch that video finish. Matter be like Matthias. Make una do well to drop una comment for comment section and don't forget to like and share this video. Until we come your way again another day, make una do well to stay safe. Una do. DJ